Traditional study methods are failing you, and it's costing you your grades. Missing study sessions, unclear notes, and test anxiety, all of this drags your grades down. There's so much to study, and if you miss something, it could mean the difference between a pass and a fail. But now, the world's #1 brain bot is here to help. Glue takes your notes and all the notes from your classmates and delivers the absolute fastest way to ensure you know everything you need to know. With Glue, you'll be 100% ready for every test and exam question. Glue scans your notes using cutting-edge AI to find the most important topics for you to study. It removes the easy and redundant information you already know, so you can focus your study time on what truly matters, learning faster than ever. For challenging topics, dive into in-depth explanations and examples in the In-Depth Study portal. Glue makes test day stress-free, boosting your grades and helping you graduate on time. It's customized for your exact classes, ensuring you're studying exactly what your professor taught. Plus, Glue works with professors and administrators to uphold the highest level of academic integrity. Glue is AI-enabled smart learning, not cheating, and is 100% backed by our fail-proof guarantee. Administrators and professors love us because we help students achieve higher academic success. Students love us because we save them time and improve their grades. Activate Glue Prestige today and get a free t-shirt. Start today for free and be smart in all your classes with Glue.